friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to pin post in Facebook timeline. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open Facebook on browser and then open your profile. And for example, I want to pin this post, so I'm clicking on this three dot and now clicking on pin post. And here you can see my post has been pinned, and I'm going to pin my another post, and pin post will appear in very top of your Facebook profile. So this was how we can pin post in Facebook timeline. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.